Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be telling you that how to rotate videos or flip videos using FFmpeg library inside Node.js. And for doing this task we will be using a very awesome library which makes things easier while working with FFmpeg, which is called as Fluent-FFMPEG. So it's a very awesome library and very trusted library. It is trusted by more than 2 lakh weekly downloads. You can see that 2 lakh developers actively use it. So the command is very simple: npm i fluent ffmpeg. So we will be using this library for this tutorial, and make sure that you have installed ffmpeg library. Just go its official website here. This is ffmpeg.org. So it's a cross-platform software and it is available for Windows, Mac and Linux. So make sure that you download this. After downloading it, simply go to command line and just type here ffmpeg. If the command is successful, then you have successfully downloaded this library. So right here guys, inside your Node.js project, so make sure that you created a Node.js project by npm init dash file. So this will create this package.json. So now right here inside this, we need to install this package, which is npm i fluent ffmpeg. So this will hardly take 5 seconds to install this. You can see that dependency is installed. So right here inside this guys, first of all, what we need to do is that uh, we need to get this, import this library by the required statement Fluent-FFmpeg. So what we will be processing this video, you can see that cut.mp4. So it is exactly 15 seconds long. So you can see that we will be flipping this video or rotating it in the horizontal direction and also in the vertical direction. We will tackle both the cases. So using the output options method, which is present inside Fluent FFmpeg library. So first of all, we will call the constructor, and here we will pass the source parameter. Source parameter typically is the video path. So whichever video that you need to process, you need to provide the full path. So the video is there inside the same directory. So here we will simply say that cut.mp4. So we have successfully provided the input video. Now we need to put the methods. So the first of all, we will put the error callback. So if any sort of error take place, we will simply console log the error. And if the process is successful, that end process callback, then also we will simply say in the console that processing finished. That's it. So these are just a callback functions just for the error handling purposes. And now guys, we will apply the output options method. So here this is the method guys which is required here, and inside this you will pass this angular brackets. You can see this square brackets. So here you will provide the output options. So basically whatever output options that you need to provide to the ffmpeg command. So mind you guys, if you face any sort of problem, I have written a complete blog post on my website codingshiksha.com, and I have given the link in the video description. So a detailed blog post is also available to you. You can copy all the source code which is given in the video. So inside this guys, we will apply a filter which is called as video filter. We will, inside single quotes, we will write here VF. VF stands for video filter. So basically we are applying a video filter to the video. So that video filter, so first of all we will take the example for vertical rotate or flip. We will flip the video in the vertical direction. So VF space, and then we will say V flip. So V flip stands for vertical flip. That's it. That's all that you need to do guys. After that, what we need to do, we need to save this video also inside our location. So save to file, we will call this, and here we will call that vertical flip .mp4. That's it. So here this is the main part guys. This is a logic part. So we are applying the vertical filter to the video. There is a space out there, and then we are writing the filter name which is called as vertical flip. So it is that simple. So now if you just run this script node index.js, so it is saying that vf invalid argument. Let me see guys, what is the problem here. I think I have written output options dash VF. Oh, sorry, I have just forgotten. You need to be having a hyphen as well. So hyphen dash VF. So VF stands for video filter. So now basically guys, if you run this node index.js, you will now see once the processing is done, this message will be printed on the screen, processing finished. So you can see processing finished. So in the left hand side, it has created this file here, vertical flip.mp4. So if I check here, you can see vertical flip. If I open this, so now you can see that guys, it has successfully flipped the video, rotated the video in the vertical direction. You can just see the face also flipped in the vertical direction. It is rotated. You can just see here. And now basically for horizontal flip, it is very much easy. You just need to change one option here. Instead of V here, you need to change here H. So this will stands for horizontal flip. So this will be horizontal, rotate or flip. So you can change the file name to horizontal flip. That's it. So this is that easy guys. So this is the name of the filter that we are applying here. So simply this will rotate or flip the video in the horizontal direction. So once the command is successful, processing finished, you can check the resultant video here, horizontal flip. So now you can see that guys, it has flipped the face, you can see in the horizontal direction. So it is that easy to flip the video in both the direction, vertical and horizontal, if you want to, using Fluent-FFMPEG library. I have shown you step by step. If you face any sort of problem, you can go to the video description link and copy all the source code. Please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Until then, thank you very much.